Good day everyone. Today I will demonstrate number systems. Binary to decimal, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal to binary. So, binary to decimal. Binary is a number system that uses only two digits, 0 and 1. So, para mo-convert into decimal, multiply natin bawat digit sa 2 raised to its position. Example, 1 times 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8, and 0 times 2 is raised to 2 is equal to 0, 1 times 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2, and 1 times 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, pag-add natin dito, so 11. Para makuha ang binary, punta tayo sa decimal ng 11. Tignan natin yung binary, so nakuha natin dito. Next naman is decimal to binary. So para ma-convert si binary, i-divide natin by 2 ng paulit-ulit. So example, 13. 13 divided by 2 is equal to 6 raised to 1. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3 raised to 0. And 3 divided by 2, 1 raised to 1. And 1 divided by 2 equals to 0 raised to 1. So, ang binary natin is ito. Tapos, tignan natin yung decimal na 13 dito at ito yung binary. Next, decimal to octal. So, para makuha ito, i-divide natin ang decimal number by 8. So, example, 100. 100 divided by 8, 12 raised to 4. And 12 divided by 8, 1 raised to 4. And 1 divided by 8, 0 raised to 1. So, ang octal ito ay 1, 4, 4. Ito. Next, decimal to hexadecimal. So, hexadecimal uses digits 0 to 9 and letters A to F. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, so on. The F is equal to 15. Same process pero i-divide natin by 16. So, example, decimal niya ay 255. So, 255 divided by 16 is equal to 15 raised to 15. And 15 divided by 16, 0 raised to 15. Tapos, dito yung hexadecimal, FF. Next naman ay hexadecimal to binary. So, madali lang ito kasi bawat hex digit ay katumbas ng 4-bit binary. So, example, 2A. Nakuha ito 2A. 2 is equal to 0010 and A is equal to 1010. Ano tayo sa truth table. Hanapin natin yung 2 dito. Sa binary niya ay 0010, kaya nakuha dito. At sa A naman tayo, punta tayo sa letter A, tapos hanapin natin yung binary niya. Tapos dyan 1010.